Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your WooCommerce store with Klarna. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce store if you have not already, and the platform you're using for WooCommerce, and this is going to be WordPress in most of the cases. So go to wordpress.com, and from here we can get started from this main page, accessing the plugin section at the left side of the screen. That's going to go ahead and enable us to go ahead and take a look at all the WooCommerce plugins that we have been using to set up our store. So let's go and take a look at how to connect it directly with Klarna, the store we have set up. We're going to go to the official WooCommerce website right here, WooCommerce.com. And this is going to open up this new marketplace. Very at the top of the screen you had extensions. You can open up the extensions marketplace. That's going to look like this, and from here we can search for Klarna. So we are using the search bar right here, the upper right corner, to search for Klarna, and as you can see, one of the first options you're going to see is Klarna. This is going to enable you to grow your business with increased sales and enhanced shopping experience at no extra cost, just by installing the extension. So what you're going to do is click the add to store option. By clicking add to store, this is going to install this extension for you, after which you can go ahead and open it up. Once you open it up, you're going to go ahead and be able to integrate it, follow it step by step on how to do so, and integrate it with your store that you have set up on WordPress. As you can see here, it works with WordPress and it's going to show you up to what version. So go ahead and just follow the steps and get started with it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.